Hello, I am motorist. I have here a little padlock that I got from Latvia. I'm quite sure it was made in the Soviet Union, but I don't know in which of the republics. Might be Latvia, might be Russia, I don't know. It is an oval, 65 millimeter. It's, as far as I can see, unmarked, except for the key that seems to have a little logo on one side. No, it's a number. I think 5858 probably. It's probably got 4 levers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's very similar to this British-made belfry padlock. Actually similar, it's almost a copy, except for this high shackle. In this lock, the shackle is nicely hidden, well protected. I guess when it sits on a hasp, or maybe when there's some keychain links in here, this shackle is very well protected from cutting and sewing or whatever other attack. This one, though, sticks out like a sore thumb. Let's have a look. I don't think it's hardened. I have a little file here and it bites. So this thing is not hardened at all. So that would be an easy target for a bolt cutter or a saw or a grinder. Not the best idea, I think. So let's see if we can pick it. This is a tensioner I made out of an old key and a picking wire. So let's see. Seems like the third lever doesn't even want to move. And there we go. So that wasn't very hard. It's a nice lock to look at, but not a great lock to use, I think. Let's see if it still works. Yeah, it does. So that's what I wanted to show you. Let's have a better look. I think I saw some kind of logo here, but I cannot see what exactly it is. So a Soviet padlock that kind of misses its goal. Sorry for that. That's what I wanted to show you. I'm Motorist. Thanks for watching.